Hello guys, this is Falcons1 coming at you with another video, and today I'll be having a Yu-Gi-Oh! Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy booster box opening. If you haven't seen my other Lord of the Tachyon box opening, go check that out. It's on my channel. And then I also have a Abyss Rising booster box, so go check that out as well. And please leave a like for this video. Hoping to still pull that Draco sack. Or maybe the Brother of the Fire Fist Cardinal. If you're wondering where I bought this box, I got it on eBay from a very reliable seller. Here we go. This is a first edition box, I might want to add. Doten Jinyu, Mermail Abyss Sokuya, Fire Formation Caillou, Brother Firefist Wolf, oops, a Wheel of Prophecy, and already we have a Gauntlet Launcher, ultra rare. Alright. A Sonic Warrior, Panther Shark, and a Abyss Scale of Majutsu. Oh, I forgot to mention that we're going to be starting with the right side here. Fire Brothers Explosion. Doten Jinyu. I have no idea how to say that guy's name. Mega Phantom Beast Black Falcon. Little Fairy. Number 69 Heraldry Crest. Radius the Half Moon Dragon. Spellbook of Miracles. Battle and Boxer Spar. And Battle and Boxer Counterpunch. Battle and Boxer Switch Hitter. Bachi Bachi Bachi. Glassjaw. Fire Avatar Grunix. A Go Gigas. Another Miracles. Mimic. Counterpunch. And a Lightning Dragon Roller of Drafts. Little baby dragon. Too bad they're banned. All my cards will be up for sale unless I decide to keep some of these. So go ahead and go check out my eBay if you get a chance. King of the Feral Imps. Battle and Boxer Glassjaw. Jewels of the Valiant. Bachi Bachi Bachi. Alright, Blaster. And we have a number C105 Battle and Boxer Comet Cestus. Alright. Ultimate Rare. Very nice. Mega Phantom Beast Stealthy, Shark Rican, and a legendary Atlantean Tridon. Alright, that's cool. We got a Blaster so far. I've been wanting to pull a Tempest or a Redox for a while. So far I haven't gotten either. Even just buying regular packs. Eagle Shark. Fire Brothers Explosion. And a, ooh, I think I saw it. Burner. Ooh, I'm scared. Trifort Ceratops. And a Spellbook of Judgment. Alright. That's freaking awesome. That's a beast secret rare. Wow. worth quite a bit. Not exactly sure what it does. Let me read it for you guys. During the end phase of the turn this card was activated, add spellbook spell cards from your deck to your hand, except Spellbook of Judgment, up to the number of spell cards activated after this card's resolution. Then you can special summon from your deck one spellcaster type monster whose level is less than or equal to the number of cards added to your hand by this effect. You can only activate one Spellbook of Judgment per turn. Wow, look at how pretty that looks. Shark Rican, Lizard Falcon, and a Stream. Alright. Woo, so pumped. Now the only other... Well, maybe we can get lucky and get 2 secrets, but the only other card I'm looking for now is the card on the front of the box. Little Fairy, a War Ring, a Reactant, a Brother of the Fire Fist Buffalo, and there he is! Yes! Indeed, number 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. Yes! This is the one card I've been wanting from this set since the beginning. When it came out, I wanted that guy right there. Right there. Right on the packs, everything. This one guy. Woo! The one card, man. Wow, look at this guy. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome box so far. Gaga Wind, Memory Loss, High Tide on Fire Island. Maybe we might get lucky and pull another one of those, or maybe a Ghost Rare out of here. I've seen it before. Wow, freaking awesome box. We've only been on the right side. Abyssea, Koa, Sia, Fire Mission Caillou, Little Fairy. Rise Bell, that Star Adjuster. I've never even seen that one. Zero Beast Zero Fine, Spar Dragon Carnation, Half Moon Dragon, and Aerial Recharge. Wow, so pumped. So we already got our secret. We got two ultras and 1 ultimate rare. Freaking awesome. Abyss Sokia. I'm never gonna get that name right, but it's okay. Caillou, a wolf, Battle and Boxer Yugioh, a headgear, Shark Fortress, a leopard, and a Tatakawa Knight. Ooh, Butchie. Mind Drain. That's the only one I've gotten of that one. Parsec the Interstellar Dragon. Fire Avatar Grunix. A Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. And a ultra rare Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstrat. Alright. Not the greatest of ultras, but still a holo. Shark Rican. Battle and Boxer Headgear. And a Trident. Gonna separate these 2 awesome cards right there. Alright. Man, 3 ultras from this box. This box has been freaking awesome so far. Not to mention it's a first edition. Switch Hitter. Butchie. Battle and Boxer Glassjaw. Grunix. Wheel of Prophecy. Lightning, Sonic Warrior, Panther Shark, Abyss Scale Majusi, not quite sure how to say that. About 2 packs left on this right side here. Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Wolf, Reactin, Big Whale, and another ultra rare Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstrat. Alright. That's 4 ultras? That's freaking amazing. The Half Moon Dragon, Tachyon Knight, and Panther Shark. I can't believe the pull ratio we're getting right now. Usually, if you've seen my other opening, you'll know that like the difference between the two, man. So far, only one elemental dragon though. I'm still looking for that Tempest, Eagle Shark, Five Brothers Explosion, Burner, Do a Barrel Roll, a Stream, Miracles, and Mimic. Oh, oops, I missed one, Counterpunch. So you know I'm so pumped. Alright. For the left side now, this is a freaking amazing box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 foils off of that out of 12 packs. That's pretty amazing for one side of the box. Eagle Shark, another Burner, Magnum Shield, Caillou, a Brother the Fire Fist Rhino, Green Dustin. It's the only one I've gone of that one. Headgear, Mimic, and a Leopard. Magnum Shield, Xyz Block, Glassjaw, King of the Feral Imps, Fairy Cheer Girl, and a number C105 Allen Boxer Comet Seastus. Another ultra, an ultra. Wow, our pull ratio is amazing right now. Look at this. Wait, now we have 2 of these. We got 2 Hamstrats so far, and 1 ultimate rare and 1 regular ultra rare. That's amazing. That's crazy. Alright, Memory Loss, Miracles, the Half Moon Dragon, one of the best boxes I've ever bought by far, right here. Little Fairy, oops, Summon Breaker, a Switch Hitter, Xyz Block, Wheel of Prophecy, and another ultra rare Mermail Abyss Balin. Alright. And so I've never even like read this card. I've never even. Wow. You can discard 4 other Mermail cards to the graveyard. Special summon this card from your hand. When you do, target cards your opponent controls up to the number of Mermail monsters in your graveyard, if possible. This card gains 500 attack, and if it does, destroy those targets if any. You contribute 1 other face-up attack position Mermail monster. This card gains the following effect: at the start of the damage step, if this card battles a defense position monster, destroy that monster. Wow, amazing pulls so far. Gaga Wind, Tachyon Knight, and High Tide on Fire Island. Wow. And we're only 3 packs into this left side, people. The Konami gods were with me tonight. Starfish, Wolf, Black Falcon, Aurora Ring, a Gigas, Stealth Ray, a Lightning, Mimic, and Trident. Butchie. Five Brothers Explosion, Black Falcon, a Tidal. Not the dragon I was looking for, but it's okay. Battle and Boxer Spar, Counterpunch, Panther Shark, and Aerial Recharge. Still looking for some more elemental dragons. So far we've gotten 2. That'd be amazing if we could pull 3, even if it was of the same. Mermail Abyssia, Kosia, Parsec, Garunix, Mind Drain, only 2 for the set, Zero, Ice Beast Zero Fine, Mijutsi, Blizzard Falcon, Sonic Warrior, and Shark Fortress. Wow, this pack's being mean, man. I'm gonna have to just tear it apart. Magnum Shield, Xyz's Block, Glassjaw, King of the Feral Imps, Xyz's Dark Fairy Chair Girl, so we got both of them. The light one and the dark one. Trident, Memory Loss, Miracles. Can we pull all of our foils? No. That's okay though. We got so many foils, I'm surprised. Mermail Abyssia, Caillou, Little Fairy, a Rizebell, the Star Adjuster, a Tempest! Yes! Finally! Oh my goodness, I've been waiting forever for this card. Man, look at that guy. He's ready to kick some ass. That is amazing. Check that out, guys. Wow. A Radius, Aerial Recharge, Shark Raken, and Blizzard Falcon. This amazing box. 3 Elemental Dragons. We've pulled, I think it's 7 foils. This is as good as it gets, people. Except if we had pulled Draco Sack for our secret, man, I would have been shitting some bricks over here. Starfish, Wolf, Black Falcon, Aurora Ring, Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf, Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress, Stealth Ray, Lightning to go with our Tempest over there. 3 packs left. What could bestow us in these 3 packs? I do not know. This whole box has just been amazing. Everything else right now is just like extra cherry on top. I've gotten like everything I've wanted besides Draco Sack, but like I mentioned, I think in my last video, it's like 1 for every 13 boxes has a Draco Sack in it. And Spellbook of Miracles is equally as good, so I have no complaints. Parsec, Garunix, Xyz's Revenge, and another ultra rare Harpy's Channeler. Wow, guys, I think we pulled like all the ultras in this set pretty much. That is amazing. Trident, a Spar, Dragon Incarnation. Last 2 packs. Oh my goodness. Now the thing that would make this box is if we pulled all 4 Elemental Dragons. Just boom, 1 box. Parsec, Garunix, another Mind Drain, a Altitude Knight, Memory Loss, a Stream, Mijutsi, and Blizzard Falcon. And for our last pack of this amazing box opening, this box opening, I swear, was amazing. So glad I bought this box. I was on the fence about buying another one, and I finally just went through with it when I saw one come up for, I bought this box for $76, so I pretty much made back my money. I'm so happy. Starfish, Jules of the Valiant, Wolf, Reactin, a Battling Boxer Yugioh, a Tatakawa Knight. My common stack over here is falling down. Panther Shark, a Sharkriken, and a Headgear. Freaking amazing box is all I have to say so far. Let me organize these cards real quick. I can't even. There's no words to describe what I feel right now because it's that amazing to pull all these cards that I just got right now. So first off, we pulled a little Green Dustin with 4 Mind Drains, which those are all very good cards right there for commons. For rares, we pulled 3 Elemental Dragons. We pulled Tempest, which is I think is the hardest one to get. Both Tidal and Blaster. And then going on to Ultra Rares, this is beyond amazing. We pulled 2, 4, 6, 8 Ultras, people. 8 Ultras. That's unheard of. Okay, so anyway, 1 Gauntlet Launcher, 2 C-105 Battling Boxer Comet Seastus, 1 Ultimate Rare, 1 Ultra. That's crazy. 2 Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstrats, 1 Abyss Balin, Harpy's Chandler, and the cover art card, number 107, Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. This card is just, it's beautiful, amazing, and strong all by itself. That's the one card I wanted from this whole set right there, and I got it in this box, so that made my box. And to top it all off, we got our Spellbook of Judgment is our secret rare. One of the most amazing boxes I've pulled so far. Please leave this a like and a comment. Leave me suggestions on what to get next. I think I'll be getting a Judgment of the Light booster box soon. As for this set, I think I'm done. I've gotten everything I've wanted to get now. So go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, see my other box openings. This is Awesome Falcons 1 signing out.